Hello, in front of me I've got Nokia 110 4G. Today I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. So let's open menu firstly and let's go to settings. Now enter display. In here we've got all our display settings. For example, we can change wallpaper, we can set ideal display settings, we can change contrast, we can set keypad backlight time, we can set auto lock between 15 seconds and 5 minutes or turn it off. Also, we can change text size, we can adjust menu display, and that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.